Hello friends, welcome to Crystal Crafts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this awesome DIY personalized Christmas ornaments. This would make perfect decorations for your Christmas tree. You can also hang chocolates on the tree so that your recipient can receive it from the tree. So I'd like to wish a Merry Christmas to all, and let's get started. So firstly, we are going to take a piece of cardstock. I'm going to draw a star on the cardstock. So next, we're going to cut the star out from the cardstock. Next, I'm going to apply glue on the star, and I'm going to pour some golden glitter on the star. Then with my finger, I'm going to gently press the glitter inside the star. Next, I'm going to flip the star onto the other side, and I'm going to repeat the process. I'm going to stick the glue and pour the golden glitter. So here's our star looking really pretty. Next, we're going to take a hole punch, and we're going to punch a hole on the top point of the star. Next, I'm going to thread a blue ribbon from inside the hole of on top of the star and tie a knot. Then I'm going to pull the knot towards the back of the star, and here we have our cute star ornament ready. Next, we're going to make a gift package ornament. So for this, I'm going to take an eraser and I'm going to wrap it in a piece of purple felt. I'm going to first roll it up and wrap it as if we would wrap a gift, and then tuck in the sides towards the back of the eraser. Next, I'm going to take a small piece of ribbon and I'm going to stick it on the gift package in the same way we would wrap a ribbon around a gift. Next, I'm going to take another piece of ribbon and I'm going to slide it inside the first one, and I'm going to wrap it horizontally this time around the gift. Next, to make the gift package an ornament, we are going to take a blue piece of ribbon and I'm going to pass it through the top ribbon, and I'm going to tie a knot on the top. So here's our cute gift package ornament ready. You can also hang chocolates in the similar way on the tree for your loved ones to receive it. I've made another gift package in the red wrapping paper and blue ribbon, and it's the same method we used for the to make the earlier gift package. So to turn this into an ornament, we are going to use orange a piece of ribbon, and we are going to tie it on the top, and here we have our cute gift ornament. Now let's make a Santa Claus ornament. This cute ornament is sure to make your Christmas tree special. So to make the Santa Claus ornament, I'm going to take a red felt. I'm going to draw the dress of the Santa Claus with this red felt. I'm going to draw the hat of the Santa Claus on the felt fabric as well. Next, I'm going to cut the dress of the Santa Claus out from the felt fabric. I'm going to cut the hat of the Santa Claus as well. So here's the dress of the Santa Claus along with its hat. So next we're going to draw the face of the Santa Claus. So I'm going to draw his forehead and his eyebrows and his eyes, also his nose and his mustache and his beard. Also, I'm going to draw his hair. I'm going to add a red color for his cheeks and forehead and lips. Next, we're going to cut the face out from the felt. So next, we are going to assemble our Santa Claus. So for this, I'm going to first take his dress, and I'm going to glue on the trim of his fluffy trim of his dress. I'm also going to glue on his trim on the hands and the hands. Also the other hand with him holding the gift sack. Now let's stick on his head. His hat. Next, we'll stick on his boots. Lastly, we'll stick on his cute belt. So here's our cute Santa Claus all ready. So to make this an ornament, we are going to stick a piece of ribbon on the back of the Santa Claus near his hat. So here's our cute Santa Claus ornament ready. It's looking really pretty. I hope you've enjoyed the video. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the button below the video and also click the bell notification icon so that you never miss a video. Thank you for watching.